and food enthusiasts alike. The methods of caviar production have evolved, with sustainable practices being implemented to ensure the preservation of sturgeon populations. Today, caviar is enjoyed by a global audience, each bite a reminder of its storied past and the rich cultural heritage it represents. From the ancient banquets of Greece and Rome to the opulent courts of the Russian czars, caviar has maintained its status as a culinary jewel. Its journey through history is a testament to its timeless appeal and the enduring fascination it holds for those who seek the finest in gastronomy. As we savor caviar today, we are partaking in a tradition that spans millennia, a tradition that celebrates the artistry of nature and the craftsmanship of those who bring this exquisite delicacy to our tables. The legacy of caviar is one of elegance, luxury, and a deep connection to history. It is a symbol of the heights of culinary achievement and the enduring allure of the finest things in life. Guardians of the Deep, the rise of sustainable sturgeon farming. In recent years, the world has witnessed a remarkable transformation in the way we approach the cultivation of one of the most prized delicacies on the planet, caviar. For centuries, the Caspian Sea was the primary source of caviar, with its rich waters teeming with wild sturgeon. These majestic fish were revered not only for their roe, but also for their role in the ecosystem. However, overfishing in the 20th century led to a dramatic decline in wild sturgeon populations. The once abundant fish became increasingly scarce, threatening both the species and the livelihoods of those who depended on them. This ecological crisis prompted a global search for sustainable solutions. Scientists, environmentalists, and industry leaders came together, determined to find a way to protect these ancient fish while still meeting the growing demand for caviar. The answer lay in aquaculture, the controlled farming of aquatic species. By creating environments that mimic the sturgeon's natural habitat, farmers could raise these fish in a sustainable manner. Sturgeon farming emerged as a beacon of hope, offering a way to satisfy the global demand for caviar while protecting wild sturgeon populations. This innovative approach not only ensured a steady supply of caviar, but also contributed to the conservation of the species. Today, sustainable sturgeon farming is a global endeavor. From Europe to North America, Asia to South America, dedicated farmers are raising sturgeon in carefully controlled environments, ensuring the highest standards of sustainability and quality. From the pristine waters of Italy to the fertile valleys of California, these farms are located in diverse regions, each offering unique conditions that contribute to the health and growth of the sturgeon. These farms prioritize the well-being of their fish, ensuring they have ample space to grow and thrive. The sturgeon are provided with clean, spacious tanks that allow them to swim freely, mimicking their natural behavior. Water quality is paramount, with sophisticated filtration systems mimicking the sturgeon's natural habitat. These systems ensure that the water remains clean and free from contaminants, providing a healthy environment for the fish. Sustainable sturgeon farms operate on a closed-loop system, minimizing their environmental impact. This innovative approach recycles water and waste, reducing the need for external resources and lowering the farm's ecological footprint. Waste products are carefully managed, often used as fertilizer for agricultural purposes. This not only reduces waste but also provides a valuable resource for local farmers, creating a symbiotic relationship between aquaculture and agriculture. Furthermore, many farms utilize renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind power, reducing their carbon footprint. This commitment to sustainability extends to every aspect of the farming process, from energy use to waste management. The commitment to sustainability extends beyond the farm itself, with many producers actively involved in sturgeon conservation efforts in the wild. These initiatives help to restore wild populations and ensure the long-term survival of the species. The jewel within: traditional and modern roe harvesting techniques. Harvesting the roe, the precious eggs that become caviar, is a delicate process that requires both skill and precision. The journey from roe to caviar is intricate, involving several meticulous steps to ensure the highest quality product. Traditionally, this involves sacrificing the sturgeon to extract the ovarian sacs containing the roe. This method, while effective, was not sustainable and led to a decline in sturgeon populations. However, modern aquaculture has ushered in a new era of humane harvesting techniques that prioritize the well-being of the fish. These innovations have revolutionized the industry, making it more sustainable and ethical. In the traditional method, skilled workers would carefully cut open the sturgeon's belly to remove the roe sacs. This required a high level of expertise to ensure the roe was not damaged during extraction. The timing of this process was crucial, as the roe needed to be harvested at peak maturity to ensure optimal flavor and texture. Harvesting too early or too late could significantly affect the quality of the caviar. Once removed, the roe sacs were gently rinsed and inspected for quality. This step was essential to remove any impurities and ensure that only the best roe made it to the next stage of production. Modern caviar production has embraced a no-kill approach, allowing farmers to harvest roe without sacrificing the sturgeon. This method not only preserves the fish, but also ensures a continuous supply of roe. This method involves carefully sedating the fish before using a small incision to extract the roe. The sedation ensures that the fish experiences minimal stress during the process. Ultrasound technology plays a crucial role, allowing farmers to determine the precise maturity of the roe before harvesting. This technology has greatly improved the efficiency and accuracy of the harvesting process. This ensures that only the highest quality eggs are selected, while the sturgeon can continue to live and produce caviar for years to come. Sustainable practices like these are vital for the future of the caviar industry, balancing luxury with responsibility. The alchemy of flavor, unveiling the secrets of caviar processing. Once the roe has been harvested, it embarks on a transformative journey that will culminate in the creation of caviar. This delicate process, often referred to as malosol, meaning lightly salted in Russian, is crucial for developing the unique flavor and texture that define caviar. The first step involves carefully separating the roe from the membrane that encases it. This is a delicate task, often performed by hand, using a fine mesh sieve. The roe is gently pressed through the sieve, releasing the individual eggs while leaving the membrane behind. Next, the roe is meticulously inspected to remove any impurities or damaged eggs. This painstaking process, often carried out under bright lights, ensures that only the highest quality roe is selected for caviar production. The roe is then gently rinsed to remove any residual membrane or debris.
Once the caviar is harvested, it's crucial to preserve its essence. This involves salting the roe, which not only enhances the flavor, but also extends its shelf life.
Salting is a delicate process. Too much salt can overpower the natural taste, while too little can compromise its preservation.
Caviar grading is an art. We evaluate based on size, texture, color, and flavor. Each grade signifies a different quality and experience.
From the highest grade, known as almas, to more common varieties, each type of caviar offers a unique profile, catering to diverse palates.
Packaging caviar is an art in itself. Each tin, each jar is meticulously prepared to ensure the highest quality.
The presentation of caviar is just as important as its production. From the elegant tins to the precise labeling, every detail matters. Caviar is incredibly versatile. It can be enjoyed on its own or as a luxurious addition to a variety of dishes. Chefs around the world create stunning culinary masterpieces with caviar, elevating their dishes to new heights.
Sustainable practices are essential to preserving caviar for future generations. We must balance production with conservation.
By implementing advanced scientific techniques, the caviar industry ensures that this delicacy remains available for years to come. From the careful farming to the exquisite presentation, caviar is a testament to human ingenuity and dedication. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the fascinating world of caviar.